Hello, this is Jonah. RORO trip to Bohol. Roll on, roll off. You have to present your ID whenever you buy a ticket. No ID, no ticket. Any valid ID, and that's it. So we're presenting our ID. How much ganing balay then?
Ano ma'am? 2,520 ma'am, di pa dadala ang duwa ka pasero ma'am.
Alright.
Libre ng driver. Kung ano meron ka naman ma'am?
2,500 for the car. Only for the car, but that includes the driver. And then we pay more for extra passengers. Alright. How much is the fare? No blogger would tell you the traffic here, the congestion of cars is so crazy, and you don't even know where to go. We're supposed to go through that gate, go to that colorful building, and pay the CPA. It's a terminal fee or something. Para Bohol! We go this way, but first we stop here to pay for the terminal fee. I don't know how much. CPA?
Cebu Port Authority mo na siya ma'am.
Cebu Port Authority's fee. Okay, only the driver gets to enter. I believe this is why you need bloggers to guide you on your island hopping trip, because when you reach here, in spite of reading all the blogs, all the travel guides, you're still in confusion. You're still at a loss where to go. So anyway, we've been there outside that gate where I found a Fast Cat ticketing office where I bought the ticket for 2,500 for the car plus for 2 more people. And then we could, after entering the gate, we proceed to this office for the payment of the CPA. It means the Cebu Port Authority's fee. So that's the building. And after that, if you have paid for the fee, you could enter this port as the driver only. Only the driver could enter, while the other passengers have to pass through this building. So isn't that simple for you now? Well, some realizations in this travel. Never to trust your GPS. Why? While the GPS knows the general route to where you're going, it could only do so much because the GPS doesn't know internal traffic rules. Like we found out while trying to find Pier 1 is that from Mandaue going through here, there are basically no left turns, so we skipped a lot of corners and had to make alternative routes until we were able to get this far. So there, no left turn, no U-turn, in spite of the GPS advising you to make a left or to make a U-turn to go this way, finding the fastest route. But no, it's not in real life. You still have to go through all this. I think the blogs could only advise on the right pier, where to go, and the schedule of boats leaving the terminal, which are subject to change without prior notice. I am here sitting in my car in the hot sun. Good that there's air conditioning, because the guard will not allow me to enter until we have paid the CPA, or the Cebu Port Authority's fee. If you are traveling on RORO, or if you have a car and you have to roll on, roll off the boat, and you have passengers with you, the passengers must have to go through the terminal of the port, while the driver, only the driver is allowed to be at this area for the driver to maneuver the car into that boat. You have to fall in line when you pay your CPA fee. After that, you can already enter through here, but before that, you have to submit all your luggage through an X-ray inspection. After all that's said and done, our car is right over there. All aboard, and see you in a while, Bohol.